another Smurfs toy from the Smurfs movie Escape from Gargamel. And it's Grouchy the Smurf is included, and the bridge and the boat from the Smurf village is included. The boat comes with some paddles that you can see to paddle the boat. And if you watch the movie, the bridge is the bridge that Clumsy runs over when he's trying to make it to the Smurf singing practice. So now I'm going to open the box. I'm back and we got it unpacked. So it came with a bridge in the boat that the Smurfs can fit in. And on the bottom of the boat, it has little wheels so it can like wheel on the carpet or on the tile floor, wherever. And the boat fits under the bridge with the Smurf in it. And the Smurfs can go on top of the bridge. They fit. And on the back of the box that all the stuff was taped into came with a nice background, so you could put it like in the back like this, and it can be like the rest of the Smurf village if you wanted it to be. Because it shows the Smurf village. It shows the mushrooms with the doors in them that the Smurfs lived in. And it shows the river. It's really pretty. So you could keep it. Be careful when you cut out the stuff, and it will stay nice. So that's all there is to this. And there's also some ropes so the Smurfs won't fall off. And if you can see, there's like little steps for the Smurfs to come up and walk down. Grouchy does he fits really good on the bridge. And that's pretty much it for all the Smurfs, for the Smurfs bridge. So, thank you for watching and see our other videos.